Hello everybody, welcome to another unsponsored Nature Box video, because guess what? We're going to keep going. Again, so yeah, honest opinions, I got mystery snacks. And that's what it looks like. Let's see what we got. There's your power clusters. They're just little clusters. I've had those before, pretty tasty. Italian bistro. Let's see what that's about. They're puffy. Really crunchy. Not bad though. I approve. Roasted cattle kernels. This is gonna be like corn nuts. Jalapeno cashews, had that before. Masa crisps. Let's see what's up with that. Put a little dry. I like that. It's a little bit like corn chips. So that's 5, and we got what? 1, 2 I've had before, and 1 I know what it tastes like, so pretty cool. Decent sized bags, you know. Let me know what you think. In, you're out. Follow me on all that stuff. Peace.